In this video, you will learn how to increase your limit in Sendwave. Open the Sendwave app and then log in. Start by signing into your account, then access your profile and settings. Go to the My Link section in the menu. The page will show your current monthly sending limit. Tap Raise Your Limit or a similar button. This action will initiate the upgrade process for a higher transaction limit. Submit requested verification documents, upload a government-issued ID, and complete any identification checks to verify your Sendwave account. Provide additional personal information if it is requested. You may be asked for details, such as your source of income or tax residence during the verification process. Wait for Sendwave to review and approve the upgrade. Once approved, your daily or monthly limits will be automatically increased. Now you know how to increase your limits in Sendwave. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.